guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be opening and taste testing this MRE. This is the first MRE that we've ever tried and ever experienced. So first of all, we're going to guess how heavy this is. Mom has her little scale.
Yes.
And you guys can guess right, I forget which way, but over there, how heavy it is.
Yeah. So how heavy do you think? Is it? Because this is surprisingly heavy.
Yeah.
Like, I am so curious as to how heavy this is. Because I would have thought an MRE would be light, but this feels like has some weight to it.
Yeah.
So what do you think? How many?
I'm guessing. How are we doing this? Grams or?
Let's do it by well, we could do it by pounds. This does grams, but we'll do it by. We'll convert it to pounds. We're just gonna get our big scale.
Yeah.
This one's low battery.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, just like that, we got our big scale that does pounds. Dirty. Yeah, it's very dirty.
Yeah, this one is pounds. Hold on, we gotta turn it on. There we go. So
okay,
how many pounds do you think it is?
I'm guessing it's maybe 3, maybe 4 pounds.
Okay. 3 or 4? Okay. I'm gonna guess 2.5.
Okay.
You wanna do it?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What is it?
It went off. I think we waited too long. Come on.
Here.
You have to push on it.
Here.
Whoa. There you go. There you go. Now it's on.
Okay.
All right. Set it on there.
Okay. Let's see. How many?
Oh, it's not registering. It's too light. I think it's too light for that scale.
Okay, guys.
Our scales are failing us.
Yes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have me stand on this and then hold this, and we'll see how heavy it is.
See the difference.
We'll be right back, and we'll tell you how heavy it is. Okay, guys. So we finally got it to work, and it is 2.4 pounds,
which is about 1 kilo.
So you were close.
I was closest. Yeah, I said 2.5 pounds.
Yeah, it feels
pretty heavy.
Yeah, pretty heavy. Okay, so
did you tell them where it was from? I don't think so.
Okay, guys, if I haven't told you where it's from Indonesia.
Yeah.
A subscriber gave it to us in mail time, and we're gonna open it on this channel.
Yeah, and so it's like this green box.
Yeah. And
it says conserven, which I'm thinking that's Dutch. That sounds Dutch to me. What do you think?
I don't know.
On both
it kind of
sides.
does sound Dutch. And the expiration date on this guy is actually, is that July or
June?
June 2017.
So about 9 months ago.
Yeah. But let's go ahead and open it.
But the box still looks good.
Yeah.
It's still sealed here. And so it doesn't look like there's been too much damage done to it.
You want to do it?
All right, sure.
Here, you can use this if you need it.
Okay. Well, I'll just pull it. It has this little pull tab right here.
There's tape.
Oh, there's tape too.
Wow.
There we go.
Awesome.
All right. Want to open it?
Sure. So it's just this one big black bag.
Seth's really excited about this one.
Yeah, definitely. I've never
eaten the MRE. MRE.
Okay, so the first bag is it feels like liquid.
Ooh, it's
and it says bubur kacang hijau or lentil soup or green bean.
Mung bean.
Mung bean porridge or something.
Porridge.
So yeah, this is cool. They're all in these tough plastic bags.
This one is ikan masak ketchup.
Ooh.
Which it's like really liquidy with, I can feel like some hard pieces because ikan is fish. And so it has like probably like a sweet soy sauce, which is the ketchup with sardines. That's my guess.
Okay. This is a small package, and it says, it doesn't say anything, but
powder.
It sounds like powder, like for a drink. Can't wait to try that.
This one is balado daging sapi, which is beef. So it's gonna be
like beef with sambal.
It's liquidy too, but there's like chunks in here.
Okay, looks like this is the last big package. And this is, wow, what is this? Ayam.
Curry?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, this is big.
Oh, there's one more. Is it empty?
Wow.
Last one. It's powder too.
Looks like a drink, probably. Vitamin B.
Yeah, vitamin B. So it's probably like a drink you mix with water.
Yeah, that's vitamin B and this is vitamin A.
Oh, okay. So vitamin waters.
Yeah.
Cool. So there's 4 food and then 2 drinks. I wonder if this is supposed to last you all day. Yeah. How many meals?
This is probably like a lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah.
Probably.
Maybe like, the mung bean for breakfast.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's cool. So
we're gonna have to heat them up.
Yeah. Open them and heat them up.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to eat them just like this.
No.
All right. There's no utensils or anything. No little like portable stove. And so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our stove in a pot of boiling water and put these 4, because these are supposed to be hot, in them and heat them up and grab some utensils, because there's no utensils. There's no like condiments or toothpicks. Like we've watched some that have different things like that. Yeah. Chocolate. There's no chocolate in this one either. Bummer. All right, we got them all heated up, and they are very, very hot.
Yes, very hot.
We just put them in a pot full of boiling water for 2 minutes, and they're hot to the touch. So which one do you want to try first?
Let's do this one. This is the fish.
We're going to open it up and put it in this bowl so you guys can see what it looks like.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow.
Oh, it's oily.
Yes.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, those look like sardines.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot of
juice. That's like a whole can probably right here.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yes.
So there's like chunks of meat and then lots of sauce.
Lots and lots of sauce.
You gonna try it?
Sure.
I'll try it too. I'll give the sauce a try. Yeah. It tastes exactly like
not bad.
The sardines in a can. Let me try the meat.
Okay, now we're gonna try the meat.
Yeah. If you like sardines,
you like this.
That's good. Yeah. Okay, what's next? Okay, this one is the beef. Daging, balado daging sapi. So let's give that one a try. Wow, this one smells like it might be spicy.
Ooh, that looks good.
Ooh, there's potatoes too.
That looks really good.
This one has potatoes and it looks like it's gonna be spicy. Because balado typically is spicy. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'll try a bite of the meat. Potatoes. Well, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared because there's a lot of red in this one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. That's good. It's almost like stew meat.
Yeah.
And it's not too spicy, but it's really good.
No. Just a little bit spicy. That's really good.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
This is next. This is the curry chicken.
Curry chicken. Ooh. 2 minutes was really good time too. Like, these are like perfect. You can eat them. They're not too hot. Oops.
That's okay. Smells like a lot like the curry chicken that you make.
Oh yeah, it smells like it has coconut cream.
Yeah.
Coconut cream, chicken, curry, and spices.
Ooh, that looks good.
That one looks like it has potatoes in it too.
Uh-huh. I hope so.
And there's like big chunks of chicken.
Yeah, big chunks of chicken.
Like how many big chunks? 4. 5 big chunks of chicken.
Okay, let's try it.
Ooh, I like that one.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it with chicken this time.
Yep, there's potatoes in here.
That's my favorite so far.
This one and the beef one.
Yeah.
These are really good.
Has a little spice to it too.
Yeah.
That one's really good.
Okay, Mama. Last one.
Okay, last one is the mung beans. Bubur kacang hijau. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, it's not what I thought it was gonna be.
Can you see?
It smells like I thought it was gonna be, but it's not the color I thought it was gonna be.
I thought it was gonna be like greenish. This is brown.
Yeah, this is more like brown.
Huh.
You ready?
Sure.
You don't sound very confident.
I don't really like these anyways. That's really sweet.
It's really sweet.
I bet they put a lot of the brown sugar in there.
Yeah.
That's probably why it's so
Let
brown.
me try it again. Yeah, there must be a lot of sugar in here because it's really sweet.
Super sweet.
That's really good.
Yeah.
That's like more of a dessert, I think.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we got
And
2 things left.
2 drinks.
2 drinks.
I've got the B and you have
I got the
A.
vitamin A.
What color is it?
Ooh. Wow, it's white.
White?
Smells
Smell
very
it.
sweet.
What?
Can I smell yours?
Mine doesn't smell good.
Smells like popcorn, like caramel popcorn, jelly beans.
Wow, yeah. Wow, yeah. Mine smells terrible.
Mine is white and hers is like tannish orange.
Yeah, this one smells awful.
Yeah, hers smells like the caramel popcorn jelly bean.
Yeah, I want to
Oh,
try.
it's purple.
Oh,
I bet it's great.
Great. Wow.
Like
I
when
don't
it hits
mine.
when it gets to the water, it's purple.
Oh, mine's turning orange.
Maybe yours is
Popcorn.
or orange.
Buttered popcorn. Okay. I don't even want to try this. It looks gross.
We'll both try each other's.
Okay, this is the vitamin B. Actually, it doesn't say vitamin. It says vitral. I don't know what that means though. Vitral. Vitral B. Yours looks good. Oh, now that it's stirred up, it smells good. Now that it's mixed with water, it smells like orange. Yeah, you want to smell?
Sure. Ooh,
Yeah.
that does smell really good.
I'm gonna try it now, okay?
Okay, go ahead. Try that one and then this one.
Yeah, that's decent. Refreshing. It's good. Yeah. I could
Okay,
drink
now
that.
let's try it.
But wow, the powder. Woo! I thought the powder was gonna be like some milky thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it
That's
tastes
okay.
good.
Not bad. Huh?
Tastes like the orange drink stuff that you put into your like water and mixed around.
Like a tang, kind of like tang.
Great.
Great flavor.
Yeah, it's good.
That's good.
But yeah, it's just so it's like grape and orange.
Yeah, that's good. I do like the
It's
orange
very
actually
great.
better.
Yeah, I think I do too. But yeah,
It's more
good.
refreshing, I think, than the grape one. So what was your favorite?
Well, my favorite drink is definitely that one.
Me
probably.
too. This is my favorite food. The chicken curry. I really like the chicken curry.
It's cool.
I could eat
I
that.
like both. I like the beef and the chicken curry.
Yeah. But what was your least favorite? I didn't really like sardines that much, so
That's
I don't know.
sardines over there.
Oh yeah, this is the sardines.
I don't really like the
Mung beans?
Mung beans because I don't really like it anyways. So.
I really like it, and they're really sweet.
If you guys have a MRE that you'd like us to try, please send us it because we'd love, we'd love to try it.
For sure.
Yes.
That'll do it for today's video, you guys. Thank you for watching today's video, and thank you to our subscriber who sent us this MRE from Indonesia so that we could try it for you guys. And pretty cool stuff. It's not very strange to us because we've lived in Indonesia for so long, but we can imagine that people who don't know what these are, they read them and they're like, ikan.
Yeah.
For ikan. So I think it would be strange for other people, but for us it's pretty normal.
Yeah.
Pretty normal food.
But it's really good.
Yeah, pretty cool. So thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel, and I hope you guys have a great day.
And keep smiling.